So what is the name?
Sir, my name is Aanchal.
Aanchal. Aanchal, so tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Aanchal Oja. My father name is Mr. Dinesh Kumar Oja. Basically, I'm from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. About my family, there are 5 members in my family, including me. About my qualification, I had completed my schooling year 2019. After my schooling, I had completed my graduation from APUS University Rewa in year 2022. After my graduation, I had completed my full stack development certification from ProSkill Hub.
Okay, maybe someone is calling you. Just look at you behind. Someone is calling you right.
What, sir?
Someone is calling you. Just you behind. Just look at you behind.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. So what are the languages you have covered during your full stack development certification?
In my during intensive, I had covered 2 languages in a front end: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, etc. And in a backend, Ruby on Rails and MySQL databases.
Okay. So what are your hobbies?
So my hobbies is listening song and playing cricket.
What are your strengths?
My strength is self-depend and discipline.
What are your weaknesses?
So my weakness is English, but I'm working on it.
Okay. So have you made any project during your full stack development certification?
Yes, sir. I had completed 2 projects in a full stack during my intensive. First is a city information and second is a e-commerce.
Okay. So explain your recent project, please.
Okay, sir. My recent project is e-commerce, which is based on e-commerce like the Flipkart and Amazon, where we created several features and functionalities. But my role is authentication and authorization. Authentication and authorization is created on the GEM device and also give a role of admin, supplier, and customer with the help of role 5GEM. And uses of admin control the admin panel, and also it control the supplier and customer also. And supplier role is he added the some product from add to card functionality, and customer use for add the product from uh, add to card, and it also give the functionalities of payment gateway method, and customer deal the payment with our supplier, and he give a role of uh, customer for uses, and some measuring of product he added in a supplier. So this is my recent project where my but uses of recent project is Ruby on Rails.
Okay. So Aanchal, are you a fresher or an experienced?
Sir, I am experienced 6 months.
You have experience of 6 months. Okay. So what is the name of the company you're working for?
ProSkill Hub IT Solution River.
Okay. So what is the working schedule there?
So working schedule is a 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay, let's just move into the technical parts right now. So
Okay,
what is scaffolding in Ruby on Rails?
Scaffolding is a major pieces of some major pieces of generate application. When we created a model view controller in a single model, so scaffolding is a best job of an application.
Okay. So, what is MVC?
MVC is stand for Model View Controller, where created a data from a databases, and it also handle the validation and handle the HTML, CSS, and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Also, it handle the HTML assets and controller. Controller are used for the application for handle the view and model.
Okay. What is resourceful routing?
Resourceful routing action is a action available in our application. There are various actions are present in these features like fetch and
Done. Okay. Done. So, what is ORM? You are not audible. Aanchal, your mic is just. Can you on your mic, please? Okay. What is ORM?
hello sir.
Yeah. What is ORM?
ORM is stand for Object Relational Mapping. It is a mainly based use for uh, manipulate the data in a databases, and it is also a active record job library.
What is it? What is access modifiers?
Access modifier is a control the accessibility and visibility of a method. There are three type of access modifier. First is a private, second is a public, third is a protected.
Okay. What is the difference between delete and truncate?
Delete is used for all deleted a particular data of a table, and truncate is used for the uh, all deleted data in a table.
Okay. What is polymorphism?
Polymorphism is a mechanism of object-oriented programming language. It is a combination of two words. Poly means many and morphism means form. An object having different behavior is called a polymorphism.
What is abstraction?
Abstraction is a fundamental mechanism of object-oriented programming language. Uh, it means the you hide the functionalities of an user and show the major part of the application.
What is give me a real life example of abstraction.
The real life example of abstraction is a smartphone. When smartphone uses for listening song, calling, SMS, etc. For our requirement, and but we don't know how it would work.
So, what is the difference between multi-level inheritance and multiple inheritance?
The multi-level inheritance is used for the parents classes and two both child classes, and multiple classes is two parents classes and multiple child classes.
What is overloading polymorphism?
Overriding.
Overriding
Override.
polymorphism.
Okay, sir. Overriding polymorphism is also called a runtime polymorphism. When we created a method from a same name but different classes, it's called overriding polymorphism.
Okay. What is migration?
Migration is used for our Ruby and Rails. Mainly it is used for the handle the schema of an application.
Okay. What is Docker?
Docker is a software platform where we users are build, deploy application quickly.
What is GitHub?
GitHub is a platform where we stored our Ruby code when we created an application, and also I had also we created an application from an software, so it is a best platform where we store data and use for anywhere and anytime.
Okay. What is asset pipeline?
Asset pipeline is a best tool where we assets our application tools such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and CSS assets.
Okay. What is active storage?
Active storage is a method where we store our file in a application. Example: cloud storage, Amazon, uh, Amazon C3, and software storage.
What is Capistrano?
Capistrano is used for deploy our application in a Ruby on Rails.
What is RDBMS?
RDBMS is based on relational database management system. It is used for the MySQL, and it is stored our data in a file form.
What are SQL joins?
SQL join is a combination of two or more than other table. There are four type of join. First is a self join, second is a cross join, third is a inner join, and fourth is a outer join. And outer join have also two types. First is a left join, and second is a right join.
So what's your salary expectation, Aanchal?
So my salary expectation is 4 to 5 LP.
Fair.
Okay, sir.